Imagine a future where tiny biological machines, smaller than any computer chip you've ever seen, could travel inside your body, find a rogue cancer cell, and deliver a precise dose of medicine, all while leaving healthy cells untouched. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's happening, and the secret weapon is plant viruses. Yes, plant viruses, not the ones that make you sick, but specially engineered ones. These microscopic structures, once seen as mere pathogens, are now being reprogrammed into sophisticated nanobots, thanks to some incredible engineering and a massive assist from artificial intelligence. So what exactly are we talking about? Think of a plant virus not as a bug, but as a perfectly designed natural nanoparticle. They're incredibly tiny, uniformly shaped, and have a robust protein shell, like a miniature hollow Lego brick just waiting to be customized. Unlike human viruses, plant viruses don't infect us, which is a huge safety advantage. Their shells, called capsids, are naturally programmed to self-assemble. We're talking about millions of identical units forming perfect structures every single time. This self-assembly is key to nanotechnology. Engineers discovered we could chemically modify these virus shells. We can attach specific molecules to their outer surface, like tiny address labels or cargo hooks. Imagine putting a GPS tracker on a tiny delivery drone, telling it exactly where to go. This is a game changer. And it gets better. These viruses are hollow. We can load them up with all sorts of cargo inside. Think of it as a microscopic delivery truck capable of carrying medicines, imaging agents, or even other nanoparticles. The possibilities for precise delivery are truly mind-blowing. We're talking about things measured in nanometers. That's 1/1000th of a meter. To give you perspective, a human hair is about 80,000 nanometers thick. These virus nanoparticles are less than 100 nanometers. This extreme precision is what makes them perfect for targeting individual cells. Okay, so we have these amazing natural nanobots, but how do we know exactly which molecules to attach or what internal structure works best for a specific drug? There are literally trillions of combinations, and trial and error would take millennia. This is where the real challenge begins. This is where artificial intelligence and machine learning swoop in like superheroes. Instead of blind trial and error, AI algorithms can sift through vast databases of molecular structures and predict which modifications will work best for a given task, say targeting a specific type of cancer cell. Think of it like an incredibly smart designer. Researchers feed AI data on successful and unsuccessful virus modifications. The ML models then learn patterns, identifying the most efficient address labels or cargo loading strategies to optimize drug delivery or material properties. This isn't just about making things a bit faster. AI reduces development time from years to months, even weeks. It can simulate how a modified virus will behave in the body, predicting its stability, targeting efficiency, and even potential side effects before any lab work even starts. One truly surprising outcome guided by AI is the ability to achieve unprecedented precision. We're not just delivering medicine, we're designing viruses that can differentiate between healthy and diseased cells with incredible accuracy, minimizing collateral damage. That's a huge step forward. This AI-powered engineering is already revolutionizing drug delivery, especially for cancer. Imagine a future where chemotherapy drugs are encapsulated within these plant virus nanobots, precisely targeting tumor cells, significantly reducing harsh side effects on healthy tissues. It's a game changer for patients. But it's not just medicine. These engineered viruses are also building blocks for next-generation nanomaterials. Scientists are using them as templates to create super tiny wires, advanced sensors, and even components for miniature electronics. They're nature's nanofactories. The legacy here is immense. We're witnessing the birth of a new engineering discipline, Bio-Nano-AI Engineering. It's about leveraging the elegance of natural biological systems, enhancing them with cutting-edge nanotechnology, and supercharging discovery with the intelligence of AI. This fusion of biology and technology, driven by AI, paves the way for truly personalized medicine, treatments tailored not just to a disease, but to your unique biological makeup. Imagine a treatment designed specifically for you, delivered by microscopic allies right where it's needed. From simple plant viruses to sophisticated AI-guided nanobots, the journey is just beginning. This technology promises safer, more effective treatments and entirely new materials, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in engineering and medicine. What other natural structures do you think AI could help us re-engineer for incredible uses? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this deep dive fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing engineering stories.